Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or our channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how I clip Kumba's claws and show you how gentle he is. So I have these, they're simple, just little black cat clippers, nail clippers. You just put the nail in between here and then press down. So I'm going to push his paw pad out so his claw comes out, and just like that. Look how long his nails are. Look how calm and gentle he is. He trusts me. And that one is super long. We have Taj over there being the ninja kitty going around in circles. Show him, babe. Silly boy. All right, over to the next paw. You're doing such a good job, Kumba. Such a good boy. He's my gentle giant. I don't know any other cat that allows you to do this. These two, another story. I have to wrestle them. Good boy. We got the front ones done. Now to the back. Almost done, sweetheart. All right. All right, almost done. You're doing such a good job, sweetie. Doing so good. Almost. Good job, Kumba. One more paw to go and then you'll be done. Look at these cute paws. Good job, Kumba. Such a big boy. All done. You did it. You did it. You did such a good job. You did such a good job. Oh, my big boy. He is such a sweetheart. He is such a sweetheart. Yes, you are. You just trust Mama so much. You just let Mama clip your claws. So sweet.